Hey there, future educators and language enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into how to make a powerful introductory video for Preply, especially if you don't have a teaching background. Stick around because I'm going to share my personal tips and experiences that will help you stand out and attract students. Let's get started. First things first, highlight your unique background. For me, I don't have a traditional teaching background. Instead, I leverage my extensive corporate experience. This is a great way to show potential students that you have a wealth of knowledge and real world skills that can make your lessons practical and engaging. In my introductory video, I shared how my years in the corporate world have honed my communication and leadership skills, which are essential for effective teaching. So, if you come from a similar background, don't shy away from it. Use it to your advantage. Next, it's important to mention if English is an official language in your country. For me, English is an official language which reassures the students that I have a strong command of the language. That is a crucial point to build trust and credibility with potential students. By emphasizing this, I could connect with students looking for native or fluent English speakers, ensuring them that they would receive high quality language instruction. Another key element is sharing your passion and advocacy. I highlighted my passion for lifelong learning. This not only shows your dedication to education, but also inspires your students to adopt a similar mindset. By advocating for continuous learning, I conveyed to my students that education doesn't stop at the classroom door. It's a lifelong journey. This approach helps to create a more engaging and motivating learning environment. Don't forget to include your academic background and ongoing professional development. I made sure to mention my academic qualifications and the continuous professional development courses I'm taking. This not only showcases your commitment to self improvement, but also reassures the students that you're knowledgeable and constantly updating your skills. If you lack formal teaching experience, highlight relevant experiences instead. For me, I talked about my experience in facilitating training activities and serving as a resource speaker at various speaking engagements. These experiences demonstrate your ability to communicate effectively, manage a classroom like environment, and engage an audience, all crucial skills for teaching. And there you have it. By focusing on these elements, you can create a powerful introductory video on Preply, even without a traditional teaching background. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Preply journey. See you next time!